ebusia enti meeting bi na akoso na omoyue meeting no na omusa no. Now after meeting no nyama na ekoso ni ade a ayese papa no ne nji ni ade a ese o ma ade we si no na omuye. Now I will tell you the rest of the story in my presentation. Allegedly no bibi ekoso sene etie no. I told you guys say owo bibi opeso ye celebration bi e wo hono ma aye ni ade to aboa all those things na no na oye. But wifey Mrs. Ehinetu neninje because of certain things, and those things no na me ba be ye dia chiro in the next presentation eba no tinya botre na ti why Ebusia, you are welcome. Oh, you are welcome. Ebusia, come with me again. Oh, come with me again. Ebusia, this is your humble servant right here on this platform, Top Gossip 24. Now, Ebusia, asemaba. Ebusia, mukai se ayi video bi epimwa. Yesi, Lady BC, the Igbo king, enini die around the age of 19 years. Ena onini nyinsin ye. Ewu akwala around the age around somewhere 1997 ho baby no ma yesi akwala no sesi akra de wenyini ama akwala no around 29 years oyoba na sa video mi pie mo no there have been some one or two issues bi a course ewo atasa fi ho. I am here to give you guys an account of what is going on because fight kakra bi ntokwa kakra bi esi ewo fie ho, and I'm here to give you guys all the filler. So remember, type in filler filler. Okay, now before no sa insem see no na Chuku the Jude allegedly and the wife no omunyenti until say say obi epini sa video no edi ma Chuku the wife Mrs. Ehinetu ena Mrs. Ehinetu na adwin say okwako bisa atasa na ebusia insembise ni mu na nyama enkoyi na according to my ghost team no they were even at the table eating allegedly and as assembly see na see no bibia ye huntan bibia eseye ama aduane no kra no omuntumi ndi sana me ghost team no eka kire me. Now what is coming up HSA anha na omo aware no egu ebusia anha na omoden omo aware na egu because maame no she's looking for an opportunity to meet the lady in question, to ask the lady all the things that the lady said on the radio or it was our tape no she want to inquire and ask what went wrong and blah 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 and all that because ofi say oil fantini say Chuku the say wanye. So guys, what is going on right now? And they say there's a lot of confusion. According to my ghost team, no, they are trying to solve it. Now there have been couple of meetings since that video went viral on social media 2-3 days ago. There have been couple of meetings out there. They were trying to sort all those issues out. But let me tell you the reason why Omun to me and sorting it out, because Chuku the Jude brought a lot of Igbos, about 20 elders from Igbo land because of the birthday. Any Abrantian or so no so oba beye ni film lunch no. Yes, because of film lunch no so eka. So what we are hearing is say say information we have gathered HSA the issue is still pending because there are a lot of elders in his home right now omunkoye and including people that want to give him advice as to how to handle himself and the Dr. Asayariga Kofi Annan lawsuit. A lot of people are there, they are discussing that, but the woman Mrs. Ehinetu, she's not happy about the entire situation. Nebusia me say yansha not this self-acclaimed and battle Igbo king enugwasia ebeba begu na so ye no ewo Ghana no onu obenu ni ho aha na onu kra na enugwasie eno de bedwane fi Ghana because according to information apart from this lady we no manya information bi aha ewo nungwa ebusua me se maye den manya information bi ewo nungwa lady bi nso kire se atasa baaye no obebie some restaurant bi ena ono no ye adwuma ewo sa restaurant mo ewo nungwa na ebusua niama kokọ body bani kire se wawi obi nso wo no ma oni no owi nipa ni ye no nyinsin bi be mu a omukoyi nyinsin no allegedly enti ebusua eno nso eba and the lady is prepared to speak out. Eradi eswe. I say about Chuku they prepare because you see when you are dealing with Ghanaians you have to be very careful. The reason why you have to be very careful no say uyo bia die edisia se huba asema nipa ne beka. So there are a lot of people are in line they want to testify. Including Yamana Dr. Asan Erika Khan and Krano. There are people out there who want to testify against Chuku the Jude. Some of them can't wait for a court for them to testify. They are just getting ready to testify against Chuku the Jude. And Tiebusia, Omufie Hono, Yanshana, the marriage will go haywire. The kids are not happy about the entire situation. Ni bano krano ba kubina yese or friend or nest of king or whatever no. The small boy is thinking say chale niame ekoso no I wouldn't want to be part of it, but he can't say anything. According to Nedam for and I said according to the conversation around campus no HSA he's not happy about the whole hula balu about the dad and on social media every day no. The son is not happy about it. But what can they do? They can't do anything because the father has entangled himself with a lot of things. Ebusia, tiemi, enye is the me say, in some bebre ena eba. In some bebre ena eba. But sometimes no, we want to just talanku small because issues a woman eba no a dozen will reveal all those ones one by one. And to woman no, epese ohunia koso and you know women why di to say in semne buy no and find who but a lot of investigation regarding the entire situation wanting to find out who the woman was, how did they meet Chuku the Jude. And woman, I think say the earlier you forget about these things the better because Chuku the Jude or Bema, I mean if you do things will happen. We know tell you all, will tell you everything. Wait for tell you. So una so to me yes sharp. To me who say, baby I will do say no. Any baby assembly see no different stages. And yes, at the end of the day, no, obe who say na our because allegedly per information I made no. Sisi akra no. Ebusia, I don't want to say this, so should I say it? Should I say it, guys? See, allegedly what I'm hearing is say even Sisi akra no Omukoda, it's not like the way just after that issue broke up, no. Omukoda, it's not like the way you know husband and wife situation. Allegedly, no, and air course ewo omuntem. It is going very bad as I speak with you. And according to Nyama Air Koso, with what Ghana, the pressure that is coming from the citizen arrest now ambasso with the Concerned Youth Association, Kwekwanan and Dr. Asayara Gano Kranum, frustrating mameno trying the best so to me holding on, but frustrating no. And see, she is at the necking area. Just say a woman papa na dada no with skaka krane no or the aye, but to be honest with you no Nyama Air Koso no enye easy crime no, but she's trying her best to hold her horses on a tight one. But I can tell you say allegedly no essence our video ninti there's no peace at home. There's no peace. Since 4 days today, no, there's no peace. Chuku de feel because ma many buifu. But essence say there are big people in the house until they couldn't talk about it. So there's a lot of things going on in their home right now, like I can tell you from here. We do our best to make sure when we get the messages, when the things drop, we do our best to handle it. Now, where I mean, you can choose to believe me or not, but you see the next phase of videos very, very soon. Why do I say there? Because look, let me give you instances. Number one, I told you before, say, they said, nobody can do them focal, right? It does happen. I told you, said the woman said my husband will not go. Ghanaians won't mean it does happen. I told you, say there was a time they were trying to travel to run away to Nigeria, Liberia or something, but they will go to Central region. And also ebemo. So believe me or not, I'm telling you, say after the video show up, no, say no mameno. Why word palm or ni papa na kun anti confusion inside Mr. and Mrs. Jude in the field because of sa little video near P.R. Mamene say or in a akwala girl ne the 29 years all friends say ombra no mbehwe obefa na akwala no. Now when ya sa video ni bin share it's just there on my channel. You can go back and watch the video and listen to the woman carefully. Me tie mameno over and over and over and over again, and I have my own checks I'm doing, yes, but at the end of the day, no, we want to make sure, say, whatever is going on out there in their home, no, we'll bring them to you on this platform, Top Gossip 24. That's what we do. We bring issues, we give you all the feelers and insinuations, and now based on what my ghost team will tell me, I will bring all those ones to you guys on this particular platform. Before I go, let me tell you people, if you don't know, if you think, say, the issue between Dr. Sayariga, Kwekwanan, and the Chukudi guy, no, is dying off, it is a lie. I'm telling you guys that it is not. Sorry, give us some time from November, middle of 15th November, entry into December. I said we be sorry to the highest level. So Ghanaians, don't think that this issue is gone. No, it's not gone yet. And let me use this opportunity before I go to all the Nigerians living in Ghana. Say I know Donald Trump say Oba step mo country hono mo SCC ho mumu empire say Oba be yamo se ne be ya bibinia. You guys can return back home, okay? Yes, you guys can return back home. So again, let me just chip in before I leave. Donald Trump, yes, we are waiting for you to enter into Nigeria to correct all the wrongs that is going on there with the sleepy president they have elected. It's very, very important. And Tebusha, this is what is going on out there. That's sene. Ma comment nemra, ma share nemra. He will give you more filler. Kase filler o filler. Ebusia, that's sene. Yebe share piao yeko.